Hello everyone, this is Brady from Guangzhou Coolfax Technology Company. So today I'm going to show you the three types of hair dryer and the differences between negative iron versus plasma iron. So in front of us is a static generator. You will simulate the hair freezes status in our daily life. So let's turn it on first. And you can see the hair is meeting the iron. Now this is the traditional hair dryer, but with the 3 million negative iron. So let's turn it on. And you can see the effect is not good. The hair still maintains the freezes status. And now it is a high-speed hair dryer, but with 200 million negative iron. So let's turn it on. And you can see the effect is actually not bad. We remove the freezes step by step. Now is our latest function and latest technology, plasma irons, and we apply it to our latest model. So let's see, and you will see the function. So you release your hair freezing step immediately in like 1 second. You can see. And let's try it one more again. If you want to get more information, please consult us immediately, okay? Thank you so much and thank you for watching.